Okay, here's the hallway of the building with the lofts. Pretty industrial. Here's the one that I'm staying in. Hopefully you can hear me. This is the living room area. Those big windows look out onto the street. And you can see it continues back through the stairs. They're going to put a dining table over there and a much bigger, newer couch along the wall. And here's the kitchen. Pretty nice. Here's one downstairs bedroom. And the bathroom is right over there. So, pretty cool. And you can see this goes up to where all these rooms are. So there's 1, 2, 3 rooms, 4 rooms total. So there's one back there that I showed you. We'll go up the stairs. There's one doorway, another doorway, and that looks into my room with the windows. And then this is my room. It's got windows looking down to the entranceway. There's my bed. It's a little closet area. You can see ceiling's pretty low, but it's got these cool exposed beams. Got a window out, you can see down to the living room, and then there's a skylight right there, and you can see it kind of up there too. Pretty cool. And down to the entranceway. Love you, boo.